Hey there, Reading 52. How's it going? Today I want to talk about these two class mantras that I have on our syllabus right here. Do you remember Father Sarducci earlier in this module in his 5-minute university? Well, after I got my master's at State, it took me a long time because my kids were very small when I was doing it. After all those years, these are the two big ideas that I walked away with. This is kind of my 5-minute university right here. And I want to talk about these ideas because they're really important for people who are developing their reading skills or people who want to become better readers. Because if you really understand these two statements, you have a pretty good idea of how to make your reading more effective. All right, so let's look at a little presentation I've got here, slideshow. Okay, our class mantras. The first one is good readers are strategic and take an active role in the reading process. The second one is the key to becoming a better reader is successful engagement in text. I want to drill down into these a little bit, kind of unpack them. Good readers are strategic. Let's look at that word right there. What does it mean to be strategic? If you have a strategy, what does that mean? Think about it maybe in terms of a game. If you're strategic, what does that mean? Or a sporting event? How could that apply to reading? I'm going to give you a couple of seconds to think about that. You got something? Okay, hold on to that. The next thing I wanted to look at was this term, this phrase right here, an active role. What does it mean to take an active role in reading? What would it mean to take an active role in the classroom? Or an active role in, I don't know, at your work? What does that look like? How could that apply to reading? Okay, got some ideas? Hang on to those. Next, I want to look at this idea down here, successful engagement in text. What does successful engagement in text mean? If you're successfully engaged in something, what does that look like? And how could that apply to reading? Did you get some ideas? Hold on to those because I'm going to give you some directions here. The first thing says go to our class in Canvas and click on discussions. You could do that, or you can just click on the next page in the module. You'll get there either way. Next, you're going to create a post where you describe what those three highlighted terms mean to you. The first one was strategic, the second one was active role, and the third one was successful engagement in text. So you can explain in complete sentences, or you can give us synonyms if you want. You can use a thesaurus if you need to, okay? So unlike our other discussion boards, this does not have a minimum word count, and you do not need to reply to your peers' posts. I just want you guys to get some ideas. After your initial posts, you may review what ideas our classmates had. This discussion is going to be worth 3 points. It's not as detailed as our other discussion boards are. And then you're going to complete the class mantras assignment where you will paraphrase our class mantras. So paraphrase means to just rewrite them in your own words. Say your little sister or niece or cousin or grandchild saw those two statements, our class mantras, and said, I don't get it. What do those mean? How could you explain that in your own words? Okay, give that a shot. And as always, if you have any questions, give me a shout.